All right, this is at, this used to be the Mercury Cafe. We got an old Nock Garside. So be careful you go, oh. CJ Anderson manual car panel.
Does it level automatically, or do you have to like line it up and?
This probably doesn't.
Yeah, not even sure.
That's crazy. It doesn't even have an internal car door though. External. That's crazy.
Is there a front nut here? Oh yeah, look at that. Wow.
Oh, it does. That's cool.
Old CJ Anderson.
And the old Mercury Cafe.
Oh wow, and it's only just got the little gate. That's crazy.
Right over the edge.
Go back down.
Let's take you through here.
Oh, okay.
Did you want right?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, we were gonna ride back.
Round trip.
I don't think we've actually seen one of these without an interior door either. So I mean, like you could just hop right out of the hole right there and just.
It's almost like the one we saw at the storage place.
Yeah, except that one was a rope operated.
Yeah.
There's another one, what used to be Backy's Bar and Grill on 16th and Champa.
16th and Champa.
Yep. So
Interesting.
right behind there, they have a shaft that's a little more, it's about this,
That is awesome.
but
We'll have
it's
We'll have to check that out.
definitely.
You think we could get a shot of it running from the outside quick too?
Yeah.
Cool. I was gonna, but I didn't want to film when that woman was in there. Oh, it's hidden back there. That is so sick.
That's a cool idea.
Get a shot of that pit down there. Do you have your flashlight on you, Nate?
I don't have my,
Oh,
my regular light.
It's
on.
all good.
But
Oh,
I
actually,
can,
there's enough light in there regardless. That is so cool. Are those wood? No, those aren't wood rails. I think records said this was put in sometime in the 40s. Would you want to bring it back down? Thank you so much. Look at the Traveler. It's just a couple of cables tied together.
Boy, if
And there's your
saw this in the,
there's your safety precaution.
caution.
That'll do. It's a common sense safety precaution.
Yeah, don't jump out.